What's up, guys? My name's Jeremy Guldin. I'm an entrepreneur, business owner, and investor. I'm just this channel. My biggest thing with this channel has been to help other entrepreneurs be successful and help other people grow their investment portfolio. I am not a financial advisor by any means. This is something that I just do because I've had great success with it, and also just putting out there what I'm investing in, not necessarily what I'm recommending for you to invest in. So I'm just putting that out there. I wanted to talk to you today about the EV market. Xpeng, it's arguably one of the hottest EV stocks right now. They've had astronomical growth within the last week actually. Their stock has jumped, let's see here, since the end of October. Their shares jumped from $20 to 72 and some change, ending in the market today. So just within the last month, they've had some crazy jumps. Today alone was a 34% growth. Just today alone, I think they started out around not low 50s, high 50s, and they jumped up to $72. And I think there was some more growth in the aftermarket before I made this video. So, like I said, I make these videos to help out people and help people invest and help people have growth. So if you don't mind taking a moment to hit that, subscribe button down below, and also give us a thumbs up. Make sure you're commenting in the bottom to let us know what you want and how we can help you succeed. So like I said, I do these videos to help other people and to make sure people are getting out of what they need out of these videos. So if you need information or you want more information, don't be afraid to ask. I have been an entrepreneur for 8 years now. So I've had my ups and downs. I've learned from, doing. So just like anybody, the biggest thing is going through and learning, failing in certain areas, and then after failure, obviously pivoting and doing the right things so that you are successful. So don't be afraid to, hit me up and ask me questions along the way if there's something else you want to talk about. So what makes Xpeng a little bit different than some of the other EV competitors out there? For one thing, they've already had a large operating business. Just in September alone, they've delivered 3,478 vehicles and 8,578 vehicles in the past quarter altogether. That already is competitive for NIO in the Chinese market, and they haven't been around as long. What's more, even more about this EV makers, they're building a second factory, starting out to export vehicles as well. And needless to say, some of this is ahead of some of the fellow EV rivals in the point of where they are now compared to where some other rivals were. Still, there's been a lot of excitement in the stock, and probably isn't because of the underlying development fundamentals as well. They've had some, some traders are definitely reacting to this, so that could be bumping the price some, definitely. But they've also just announced within the last week about the P7 Wing. The P7 Wing is a new sedan that they're rolling out. It's a new model. This will cost around $60,000, and it will feature the company's latest software as well. This includes a concert hall level stereo sound experience. Additionally, the vehicle will hit a top speed of 105 miles per hour and will have a range of around 364 miles. And that's their newest vehicle that they've announced. Like I said, the new P7 Wing. So I definitely think it's a stock that you want to keep your eyes on. I think it will continue to grow in my, suggestions. I definitely have been investing more and more. Definitely, I did not invest more today. It was a very high green day. Like I said, they had that 34% growth. So I've had investments in them actually when they were in the low 20 range, and I will continue to invest in them, but I try to do it on downward days and not uptrending days, just because typically if you're jumping in on an uptrending day, you're going to pay more for the stock in the long run. So like I said, I would try to make sure that you're investing on a downward day and not an upward day. But it's definitely something that I've added into my portfolio. I have a couple hundred shares of it currently, and expect to, add a couple hundred more. I have this, I have Neo, I have Tesla, so also have some of SPE, which is Switchback. So I'm pretty heavily invested in the EV market right now. I think continuing moving forward that this is just going to be a market that's going to continue to grow because with global warming and all of these things, people are going to continue to invest in these EV vehicles, and I think this is the way of the future. So I highly recommend it. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just something that I do, something I enjoy, something I've been messing with the stock market for the last 10 years or so, and it's just something that I really do enjoy. So thanks again, like I said, for tuning in. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. And if you don't mind, I'd appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. We want to try to grow the channel, uh, you know, and like I said, I'm here to help you guys out and answer questions along the way, and I look forward to answering them for you. Thanks again.